Hey everyone, so in this video we solve number of occurrence. So this question is asked by Amazon, Make My Trip and Zoho. So this question is important for interview purpose and placement purpose. So the question is that given a sorted array A of size n and a number x, you needed to find the number of occurrences of x in A. So I think you don't know understand what is the question. Question is that you have one array. Okay, so the second line is that first line is test case, how many tasks you have to perform. Second, this 7 is that how many elements you have to store in array 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And 2 means in this list of array how many 2's are there. So in this there are 4 2's, so output is that 4. Okay, so I think you understand. And there is one second example, 7 array of list 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and in this array you have to find 4. So in this array there is no 4, so simply output is -1. So I think you understand this question. And we have one input statement. Let's begin. The first line of input contains an integer t denoted the number of test case. T test case follow. So in this first line you have to make test case, means how many tasks you have to perform. So I will go and make one little bit hang. Why it's not working? Yeah, so Java class number of occur. First of all you have to make your main class method, and then test case. So we want the scanner type for user input. Oh no, okay, scanner, and then system dot in, and then test case int t equal to so dot next int. Okay, so our first task is completed. Second is that each test case contains 2 lines of input. First line contains x, n and x element whose occurrence needed to be count, and the second line contains the elements of array separated by space. So we are using while loop. Sorry, t greater than 0. It means how many tasks you have to perform. Okay, so if tasks, suppose I will give 2, so this loop will beginning 2 times. So first line is n so dot next int. Why I'm using this n? Number of elements is storing in array size, it means. Okay, and second line is x so dot next int yx because of counted number in array list. Means if I will give 2, so that 2 will find in n. So in next line you have to declare one array a new int n. So the elements are, the size of n is storing in array, and now we will make one loop int I equal to 0, I not greater than n, I plus plus. Don't using loop, just a I and so dot next int. So in this line we are storing all we are getting all elements from user. So user will type in this the size of array, and means the 5, suppose you will, the size of array is 5, the size of array n is storing in array, and the array will take from user inputs 5 elements. Okay, and then next line you have to sorted, because if these elements are storing different type like 5, 4, 0, 9, this type is arranging in ascending order. Okay, a, and next you have to make want one variable. Okay, this line, what this line doing, just sorting in ascending order of sequence. Okay, now you want one more for loop int I equal to 0, I not greater than n, I plus plus. So in this line, if count if x is equal to array of I, then print count plus plus. And then so this loop will this loop will check the this loop will compare all elements of array list. Okay, so now we want one condition, if count is less than 0, it's print don't use this thing. Yeah, you want system.output.count. If else count sort and -1. So our program is ready, so let's run this program. I hope it's correct. If it's not correct, we will correct. Find the error, building, and wait for some time. IntelliJ is take times. Okay, little bit. Yeah, it's completed. And now, so our first line is that where is terminal? Yeah, first line is test case. So two test case. First is 7 elements and I want to find 2. So 2 1 1 2 9 8 2. Okay, let's go. So in this array 1 2 3 elements are there. Okay, and one more 5, and I want to find 1. So in this array there are 2 elements. So I hope you understand this question very well. So in this first line we are taking test case, then we are taking loop for how many tasks you have to perform in this loop. So in this loop I will task to perform, so it's beginning 2 times, and for size of elements, x for counting how many elements are similar to 2 or 4, and this loop shorted. Okay, so keep subscribe and share my video. Thank you guys.